How do you stop someone from calling you on WhatsApp without blocking them? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and I'll guide you to stop someone from calling you on WhatsApp without blocking them. Without further ado, let's get started. So you need to note that sometimes you don't want to be rude or cut out someone off completely. You just don't want constant WhatsApp calls. Luckily, there is a few workaround. First, you can use Do Not Disturb plus custom notifications. For that, you can head to the phone settings. Scroll down, select Sounds and Vibration, and tap on Do Not Disturb. Now you can completely toggle on the button and mute all notification other than alarms, timers, and calendar events. Here you can easily go to exceptions section and then make sure WhatsApp calls are not allowed in the exceptions, or you can tap on apps, locate WhatsApp, and then turn on the button for WhatsApp. Instead, you can even go to people and then select a particular one. You can choose contact and then mute all the calls from the peoples of contact. Once done, WhatsApp calls won't ring but you will still get messages. You can even set custom notification for that contact inside WhatsApp to silence their call tone. Once you have done that, you can even restrict WhatsApp permissions, which works on Android. For that, you need to head to the phone settings again, navigate to apps, select app management, and then search for WhatsApp. So tap on the search bar and type in WhatsApp. Open the app info page, select storage uses, and tap on clear cache. Come back and tap on manage notifications. Now you can easily look for the call notification at bottom of your screen and toggle off the button. This will stop WhatsApp from accessing your phone's call feature, which means no more call rings from anyone on WhatsApp. Messages will still work normally. So by following this step, you can stop from calling you on WhatsApp instead of blocking them. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, comment, and thank you for watching.